In this problem, we are looking for the color of a specific square. Say for example this one. What we can do is we can find the distance from the A1 square, which is like this. Say we start from square 1, which is black, which is A1. We start from A1 and we move to the right with the first coordinate. I mean, this is for the coordinate 1, this is for the coordinate 2. What we are looking for is whether the color will be the same. So we can tell that from if the distance from A1 is even or odd. If they are same, the sum of these two numbers will be 0.